interview in English? First of all, may I just say, you killed your swimsuit fashion show. Can you be my translator? Can you be the swimsuit fashion show? You're my number one. Everyone loves your pasarela.
I think everyone, you were number one last night.
How do you feel about it? Like, did you expect like everyone to love you with your pasarela?
Everybody inside of me. So I think that is the reason I
Oh, you're not afraid. You're fearless.
Yeah.
Yes.
But-
Where is your confidence coming from? Yes. Why are you fearless? Why are you not afraid? Your mama taught you?
Let her
Pamilya?
think. Side.
just
Yeah.
Yes.
Vanessa, yesterday you were performing on the camera as it was telecast, but other people don't know you were also performing even without the camera because it's a long catwalk. You were giving a turn, you went to the platform with them, you were still performing, and everyone just loves you.
I think everyone like siente la emoción, siente lo que les da. Por eso
Your Spanish is so beautiful.
And
Yes.
and what's important is you reminded everyone that hey, I am Miss Colombia and this is what Colombia is. That's what you did yesterday. That's why everyone were cheering for you.
say,
Oh yeah. Bravo.
Have you asked advice from your predecessors like Paulina Vega, Andrea Tovar?
Andrea
Bar.
Carolina Gomez.
Well,
We have a beautiful
Taliana Vargas.
Ariana Gutierrez.
You were giving a